What is an equation of the line that passes through the point -2 and 5 and is perpendicular to the line whose equation is y equals 1/2 x plus 5? Perpendicular line have negative reciprocal slopes. The slope in this line equals 1/2. If the new line is perpendicular to this one, therefore the perpendicular slope will be negative reciprocal of 1/2. Negative reciprocal, the reciprocal, which means you like flip the 1/2 upside down. So this is 1/2, the new one is going to be 2/1. Negative reciprocal, if it's the whole entire fraction is positive, the new one is going to be negative. Alright, and the opposite, if the entire fraction is negative, the new one will be positive. But since this one is positive, we're going to have it negative. -2/1 is the same as -2. So we know the new slope is going to be -2, which means this one will cancel. We cancel A and C. Alright, the new one is going to be -2 slope. Alright, so you have the new slope equals -2 and passing through the point -2 and 5. We need to find the y-intercept. To find the y-intercept, you write the equation of the line, y equals mx plus b, and substitute. This is x, this is y. Let's substitute -2 for x, 5 for y, -2 for m. So that's going to be 5 for y equals m is -2 times x is -2 plus b. 5 equals -2 times -2 is +4 plus b, subtract 4 from both sides, you get b equals 5 minus 4 is 1. You get b equals 1. Therefore, the new equation is going to be y equals m. You got to copy this m, -2x plus b, which is 1. -2x plus 1. That's choice B. Another way to do this problem, after you determine the perpendicular slope, you just get this one. This is x and this y, and substitute it here. Substitute -2 for x and see if this one is going to be y or not. Alright. Third way to do this kind of problem is graphing it. If you graph each one of them, let's say if you graph this one here, -2x plus 1, and see if, and you go to the table and see if the if -2 and 5, when x equals to -2, see here 1 0, so you're going to go up to -2, and you see the point here -2 and 5 is in here. But if you graph the fourth one, choice D, which is -2x minus 9, and you go to the table here, when x equals -2x minus 9, okay, when x equals -2, y equals -5, but here y equals +5, not -5, so that's why D is not the right choice. It is B. Work well.